Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe which I'm going to share with you is very different. They are Mexican tacos and it can be made in very different ways, and today's which I'm showing with you is vegan or vegetarian tacos, and in coming videos I'll also share the recipe of tacos, how to make tacos at home. But today's recipe is basically the basic things which goes in tacos like guacamole, salsa, salad. So let's go to the recipe and have a look that how do we make vegan or vegetarian tacos at home.
To make tacos, I've taken some veggie sausages and I will just cut them in very small pieces like this. I've taken approximately 3 of them. And I've just taken them in a bowl. Now I'm just taking some mushrooms and I will also cut them in very small pieces like this. So my mushrooms are chopped now, and we will take these mushrooms into the bowl where I had my sausage as well. Now for the salsa, I've taken red onion which I'll chop into very small size, as you can see. Chop, chop, chop. And it's been chopped now. Almost there. Come on. I got teary eyes when I chopped onions. Do you have it as well? One of the difficult tasks for me, but have to do it. Alright, now I'll take that chopped onions into a bowl, and I've taken a couple of tomatoes, which is a very main ingredient for the salsa, and we will also cut them into very small pieces like this. In the same bowl, we'll take out tomatoes in it as well. And I've taken some fresh coriander or cilantro, which we will chop as well. In the same bowl, we'll take out coriander as well. We will add some salt to taste, some freshly ground black pepper, and some lemon juice. We'll mix these. And our salsa is ready. Now the next step is our guacamole. For that I have taken 1 avocado and take the pulp out of it. If you want to store the guacamole, then leave the seed in there, but if you want to just use it just as at the same time with that's how I'm using right now, so I'm getting rid of that seed. But if you want to store it, then leave the seed in it, which will help it not to change. It won't make it dark in shade, which it normally happens when guacamole gets stored for a long time. Now with the fork we will just make a pulp and freshly squeezed lemon. I'm taking half of the lemon, some freshly ground black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. And stir them, mix them all. And our guacamole is ready. This is a basic recipe of guacamole, and we will just put some coriander leaf in the end. Of course, coriander leaves, tomatoes, onions, black pepper are the main ingredients for all the Mexican food we eat. Now I'm taking some yogurt in a bowl. This is our dressing which is going to be made. I've taken some veggie, which is a vegan mayonnaise. Mix these two together. You can also use garlic aioli or garlic dip. And I'm adding some freshly chopped coriander, followed by salt to taste, and some freshly ground black pepper. It gives this tangy flavor which really is yum when you have any Mexican food. So this is our dressing which is almost ready. One ingredient is left which I'll put later. Now we look at the ingredients which are making our tacos today. So this is our dressing and guacamole and our salsa salad and mushrooms and our chopped sausages. For that we will just cook them a little bit. So for that I've taken some olive oil and I'm adding some garlic, crushed garlic and some green chili. You can also use soyabean chunks instead of sausages, veggie sausages. Veggie sausages are also made up from soyabean, so very healthy as well. So we'll add our small pieces of mushrooms and sausages into it, and we will just on full flame we will just stir them, saute them, and add some salt and freshly ground pepper to them as well. Salt to taste, of course. We'll saute them until the moisture evaporates from the mushrooms, and they are pretty much ready now, almost there. I'm getting them out in a bowl and we will just cool them down on room temperature. Now our dressing, which last ingredient was left behind was cucumber, which I've just cut them in small pieces and put it in, and some lettuce as a salad. Now is preparation of tacos. For that I will just get the mixture of our mushroom and sausages first inside the tacos, which goes first, and then we will add some salsa on top, which we just made before, followed by some lettuce. I will also show you different types of tacos in future. There are so many varieties of them to make. Now I'm adding some guacamole, but today's materials which I've used is a basic ingredients. And now last is our dressing on top, which the ingredients which I use today pretty much goes in all the tacos we make. So here we go. It's best to eat them fresh, don't leave them behind, otherwise they get soggy. Now again we'll take another tacos and we will just add our mushrooms and sausages in it. Then our salsa salad which we made, some lettuce. Some people use black bean filling as well, which I'll show you in future videos as well, how to use that in tacos. And guacamole on top and some dressings at last. Here we go, our tacos are ready. In future I'll also show how to make tacos at home as well. So stay tuned and enjoy these tacos at home. Hopefully you'll enjoy this recipe. I'll get back to you with some more interesting recipes in future. Until then, take care. Goodbye for now.